Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to see the logs from your Android application when you are running it. This is especially for the Unity apps, okay? Therefore, you can see the print from debug.log function. First of all, sorry for the video and the sound quality. You need to connect your Android device to your PC and do it in the USB debugging mode. So now go to your Android SDK location in your PC and open the tools folder. So search for the monitor pad and open it. Okay, so now select the logcat tab, sorry, and you can see many things happening on my phone. So when I'm pressing my filter for Unity stuff, you cannot see anything because my Unity application isn't running on my phone right now. Now let's add a filter for the Unity logs. Press the plus button. Let's say test Unity. Now, as the Unity logs have the tag Unity, we put it on the bylog tag box. Okay, let's change to debug here. Okay, now I am running my Unity application on my device, and here are the logs. So have fun, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, put your like and give your comment. Bye.